There's an assumption among many of us that the brain of a human can outperform anything that a close relative like a chimpanzee can do. But that's been overturned by this remarkable study that adds to a lot of research that brings chimpanzees closer to humans than would have been thought 10 or 15 years ago. Here's a chimpanzee being taught how to count. It's all the brainchild of Tetsuro Matsuzawa at Kyoto University. Now here's the same task, but it's slightly trickier because they're going to cover up the numbers very quickly and ask the chimpanzee to remember the right sequence. Now this is actually the offspring of I, who several years ago was the first chimpanzee who learned how to use Arabic numerals and really pioneered this remarkable effort by Prof. Matsuzawa on chimp cognition. Now it's the turn of a human guinea pig, a university student. They've only got 5 numbers to get the right sequence after they've been covered up. They start off pretty well and then not very good, and oh dear, can't remember that. And of course when they get it wrong, the test ends and is repeated all over again, and really not a very impressive performance. Now it's back to the chimps doing the same task, and they're incredibly good. In fact, it kind of makes your jaw drop just seeing them in action here. And this is because they've got remarkably good working memory compared with human beings. So, in the battle between university students and young chimpanzees, chimps won, humans nil. So what we've got here is a kind of photographic memory, and that begs the question, why have chimps got this remarkable photographic memory when we haven't? Well, one idea of Prof. Matsuzawa is that humans traded this photographic memory for the ability to speak and communicate. Another thing is that it's actually crucial for chimpanzee survival to have this kind of memory. It helps them remember where fruits and things like that are in a huge tree, and helps them keep track of any rival male that might launch an attack.